What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you why we have this movement to the downside for the last couple of sessions. And at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we hit several crucial points and we caught almost the entire movement to the upside. I made several videos from its lowest point, and I've told you that you could start to accumulate your position at the ranges below $110 mark, and this was my first entry call. And from this point to this one, when I've told you to exit your position, you probably earned about 65% of potential profit. Second range of accumulation was right here, and from this point you probably gained about 42%. And the last point where we had this last leg to the upside to my main price target, you probably gained about 14%. And I have to say that I didn't expect this movement to the upside. It was less than 20% probability of this basically movement, but it is what it is, and you cannot gain all the profits from the market, and this means I completely missed this 15% movement to the upside, but I made quite good calls previously. So, what was the reason of this price action and what should we expect next? Let's continue with the fundamental news. And first of all, let me show you that on February 11th on TSLA we can find this article that is titled "Tesla Model Y with 4680 batteries just got more expensive." And I have to say that recently, just several weeks ago, Tesla started to cut the prices for their vehicles, and a lot of people think that it might be some kind of demand issues. But because of this action, when the price of Tesla's vehicles become more expensive, we can clearly see that it wasn't a demand issue, and definitely, fundamentally, Tesla still has quite good numbers. And let me show you that right here on AsianNikkei.com on February the 10th, we can find this article that is titled "Tesla earns 5 times more per car than Toyota earnings show." And the main idea of this article, basically, you can see it right here in this picture. And Tesla has $9.5 thousand net profits per vehicle. Compared to other manufacturers, as you can see, GM has $2.1 thousand, BYD has $1.5 thousand, Toyota has $1.2 thousand, Volkswagen less than $1,000, Hyundai also less than $1,000, and Ford is losing $762 per electric vehicle that they manufacture. Xpeng has a huge losses of $11.735, and NIO has $19.1 thousand. And definitely these numbers show us how powerful Tesla's fundamentals are, and because of this, definitely we had this movement to the upside, and this movement started at the very beginning of 2023, and when I made my previous video right here when it was in downtrend, I've told you that the end of tax loss harvesting will push the price of Tesla on top of its very strong fundamentals, and it happened right in the beginning of 2023. So, and let me show you some bearish news on Tesla. First of all, let me show you this one. HERTZ took delivery of half its massive Tesla order of 100,000 electric cars. And this title by itself is quite bullish, but if we take a look deeper, let me quote you this. HERTZ disclosed that it took delivery of only half its massive Tesla order of 100,000 electric cars. However, the numbers don't add up. In 2021, HERTZ announced an important effort to electrify its fleet of rental cars, led by a massive purchase of 100,000 Tesla Model 3 vehicles. More recently, the company added Model Y vehicles to the order. The rental car company said that it expects to have all 100,000 Tesla vehicles by the end of 2022, though Tesla didn't seem to be completely on board with that timeline. Today's HERTZ disclosed through its annual filings of 2022 that it ended the year with about 48,344 Tesla electric vehicles. And definitely this number is nowhere near to 100,000 vehicles that should be delivered. But I have to say that we don't know any add-ons, any additional contracts to their main contract, and we don't know the schedule of these deliveries. Previously they disclosed that they should receive all the vehicles by the end of 2022, but right now probably something has changed. So, it is debatable news, but still we have what we have. Let me show you another news that is relatively bearish. Tesla full self-driving beta smear campaign is getting turned into a Super Bowl ad. And it is quite interesting article, and let me quote you this. Last year we reported on Dan O'Dowd, a self-described billionaire and founder of Green Hills Software, a privately owned company that makes operating systems and programming tools. O'Dowd had launched a Senate campaign in his home Senate of California, but the tech executive made it quite clear that he's making it a single-issue campaign, and that issue is Tesla's full self-driving program. Under the protection of political ads, he invested several $million in an ad campaign to attack Tesla's full self-driving beta program with the goal of having it banned from public roads in the United States. And I have to say that he has close relationships with other company that is working on another self-driving software, and Tesla is a direct rival of his company. And because of this news, I have to say that we will see not the Tesla advertisement on Super Bowl, but we will see completely opposite campaign on Tesla's vehicles. But I think it will still be in favor of Tesla vehicles, because in a long-term perspective Tesla has the biggest database of their full self-driving system, and right now it is the only system that has a full autonomous driving capabilities in a wide range of countries. So, and let me show you the analysts' price target. We have two companies that boosted Tesla's price target. It is Wheatbush and Royal Bank of Canada, and they set their new price targets at $225 and $223 respectively. And Wheatbush said that Tesla has a very good upside potential despite its recent headwinds. And here is the article that describes it perfectly well. And let me show you that it was made on February the 6th. And on February the 6th, the price of Tesla was at around $190. So definitely it is quite a good forecast, but on a bigger picture we have to see the retracement. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me show you that right here at the very bottom of the screen you can see that the volume during this movement to the upside was lower and lower, and this latest movement to the downside has an increase in volume, and this latest candle, as you can see, this movement on February the 10th, movement to the downside, has the highest volume for the entire February. This means this movement to the downside may be only the beginning of a new medium-term downtrend that should unload the entire structure. And to project the targets where we might land, let me clean the chart a little bit, we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, and with the assumption that we completed all 5 waves, we can land at the ranges of 0.382, 0.5 and the golden pocket range, and it is the price point of roughly $171, $157.7, and the range in between $141 to $144.5. So if you want to add to your position on Tesla, you can accumulate through these levels, and it will give you a very attractive average price if you didn't add to your position right here at the ranges of about $110, and this will lead to lucrative profits in upcoming months. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up.